Hello everyone, today we will do some funny experiments using the waste of fresh tomatoes. Have a nice watching. Tomato is one of the most consumed foods in the world. It is also considered a big part of the Mediterranean diet. First, tomatoes are taken from the Aegean region of Turkey. They are cleaned with water to remove impurities, and then the peeling process begins. After peeling, peels are put into a thermomixer for hot break by applying heat and agitation. To obtain a uniform slurry, it is mixed. Tomato peel contains some essential natural chemicals, especially lycopene. Now, let's extract this valuable compound using these chemicals. Lycopene is a kind of antioxidant that gives a natural red color to fruits and vegetables. Some chemicals, hexane, ethanol, and acetone, are added to prepare a stock solvent with a ratio of 2:1, respectively. Then, the stock solvent is mixed uniformly. Using a scale, 10 grams of peel slurry is added into the falcon tube. A stock solvent containing hexane is prepared to extract lycopene from the slurry. 50 milliliters of the stock solution was added to the falcon tube containing slurry. And then it was vortex-ed for about 2 minutes. The samples are in 2 different falcon tubes. One of them is poured into the separation funnel. The falcon tube and the funnel waited for 1 day to achieve complete phase separation. As you can see, the lycopene-hexane mixture can be seen at the top of the falcon tube because it is red. Centrifugal force is applied at 4,000 revolutions per minute for 20 minutes for both samples in the separation funnel and the falcon tube to enhance phase separation. After that, the liquid phase in the top of the falcon tube is poured into the evaporator flask. Evaporator concentrates the liquid and separates lycopene from hexane by evaporating hexane. Then, the hexane-lycopene complex is poured into a falcon tube and vials. After the hexane is volatilized, you can see the lycopene with a tiny amount of hexane in the vial. Now, let's measure the lycopene amount in this vial. We inject 1 milliliter of the chemical mixture into long tubes containing 20 milliliters of pure hexane. Then, the tubes are vortex-ed for 15 seconds. Spectrophotometer device is opened. Then, 3 replicates of the samples are poured into quartz cuvettes and closed by their lids. Wavelength is selected as 503 nanometers for lycopene. Here, we can see the absorbance data which is related to lycopene amount. Tomato peel powder production. Now, let's make use of the remaining slurry for tomato peel powder production. The slurry is poured into trays. The trays are put into the tray dryer. The dryer is set at 70 degrees Celsius and 5% humidity of air for 1-day process. Trays are turning to achieve uniform drying. After 1 day, the trays are taken out from the dryer and then samples are crushed. And then ground. Now, tomato peel powder is ready to use.